Welcome to our Lace Wallet video series. This is Kai from Nova, and in this video, I'm going to guide you through the installation and setup of the Lace Lite wallet. Support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and considering a delegation to our stake pool Nova. Your contribution will help us create more high-quality content and expand the Cardano community. Right now, we're on the official Lace Wallet website, 𝗖𝗍.io. It's crucial to ensure you're on the correct site for a secure setup. The link to this page is available in the video description below, so you can easily check. Lace is a light wallet, operating seamlessly as a browser extension. Stay tuned as I walk you through the process, ensuring you're all set up and ready to go in no time. Clicking on the Add to Browser button will take you straight to the Chrome Web Store. From there, just follow the steps to add the Lace wallet to your browser. It's as simple as that. You will see a new icon appear in your extension toolbar. If it doesn't show up, you might need to pin it to make it visible. When you open the application, you have three options to choose from. In this tutorial, I will walk you through creating a new wallet. Take a moment to read the terms of use. Scroll down and accept them to proceed. Next, Lace will ask for permission to collect pseudonymous analytics info. This helps the development team enhance the user experience. For this guide, I'll skip this step. Now it's time to give your wallet a name and set up your spending password. Make sure to keep your password secure to ensure the safety of your funds. We are at the most crucial step. Unlike other Cardano wallets, Lace Wallet allows you to create only a 24-word passphrase. Remember, anyone with this passphrase can access your wallet, so it's vital to keep it safe and secret. Avoid storing it online, in the cloud, or on your computer to ensure maximum security. Before moving forward, double-check that you've written down all the words in the correct order without any errors. Only proceed once you're absolutely sure. Let's verify that you've written down the passphrase correctly. You'll be prompted to type in each word in the exact order. This step ensures that your passphrase is accurate and accessible to you. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Cardano wallet with Lace. Now go ahead and enter your wallet. Lace is designed with a great user experience in mind, ensuring it's intuitive and user-friendly. On the left, you can view your tokens and NFTs, monitor your wallet's activity, and even stake your ADA to one or more Cardano stake pools. Lace Wallet is among the first Cardano Lite wallets to introduce multi-delegation. I'll tell you more about this feature in my upcoming video, Delegate to a Stake Pool. At the top right, you have options to receive or send tokens and view your wallet settings. In the settings, you have the flexibility to change the network you want to use. This feature is especially handy as some projects and dApps release beta versions of their applications before the official launch. To interact with these beta versions, simply set your wallet to a testnet like Preview or Pre-Prod. Additionally, in the settings, you'll find a list of all the dApps you have authorized to interact with your Lace wallet. This keeps you in control, ensuring you have full oversight over your wallet's interactions. You can also easily access your public and staking keys within Lace. These keys are essential if you want to use third-party software like tax reporting tools. When interacting with smart contracts, collateral is required. Typically, this is set to 5 ADA. The Lace wallet looks great right out of the box. There's minimal customization needed, except for setting your preferred currency or switching between light and dark mode. It's worth noting that Lace Wallet is the official wallet made by IOG, one of the founding entities of Cardano. They've meticulously included a comprehensive FAQ support section and every link to their official sources to assist you with any queries or issues you might have. Rest assured, with Lace, you're in good hands. Explore, transact, and enjoy the seamless experience of using the official Cardano wallet. And that's it for the first video of our Lace Wallet series. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos in the future, subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the bell. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.